When people look at my face, they be like, oh damn, that's a face. That's what I like.
English girl named Fiona, big body girl named Amiola, bunny bunny girl like Cola. Back up,
Don't want to get demonetized. Let me stop playing. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ClaireFendy. If you guys are new here, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this nice soft glam look, because you guys know soft glam is my thing. Okay, so I did a couple new methods, so this is kind of like my updated makeup routine, so make sure you guys watch the whole video. And yeah, it's giving what it needs to give, period. See you guys at the end of the video. I'm back, bitch. Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna jump right in. You guys already seen the look, you guys already seen the intro. My hair is looking kind of crazy right now, but it's okay. We're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start off with my eye. I don't usually do eye makeup on my channel because it takes a lot of time, but I'm gonna do it for y'all today because yeah, I'm feeling like a nice little nude kind of lid. So I'm just gonna take my primer and I'm just gonna put my primer, well, not primer, I'm gonna put my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. Fawn is like the best. I recently came back from Mexico. I don't know if you guys watched the vlog. If you haven't, you guys should go right ahead and watch it. But I feel like my skin color got a little bit darker than what it usually was, and I didn't even notice it getting darker until, like, I don't know, I started looking at my pictures. I'm like, yo, my skin really looks darker, but it's okay. We love a little melanin. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place palette. This is the Masquerade palette. I'm going to use these three shades. I'm gonna do like a nice little matte, no shimmer, just a nice little brown lid. I just feel like it's like perfect for soft glams, and yeah. So I'm going to take Ada and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. I'm going to mix it with Fulani. I'm going to do one eye on camera, the other eye off camera. So next I'm going to take the shade Zulu. This is like a nice little copper color, and I'm just going to put it on the outer corner, and that's literally all we're going to do, just to give it like a little bright color shade-ish type of thing. Okay, so this is what the eyes is looking like. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. So this is what the eyes is looking like. I want to do like this nice little fox shape eye. I'm really feeling it, so this is what we're about to do. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer again. This is in the shade Fawn. You guys, my skin looks so nice. It's kind of scary. And then I'm just going to basically cut the eye straight like that. Just like a cut crease, but I'm not doing a cut crease. So I'm just going to do it like just to cut the eyes up. Take my blending brush and I'm just going to blend the concealer outward towards my eyebrows. Okay, so I know you guys are going to ask me where I got my lashes from. So you guys, I'm planning on doing a little lash team. If you guys watch my talk through, we're going to talk about it some more in the next video, but just know that is I'm trying something out right now, so I'm testing out lashes. But if you guys like it, please let me know in the comments. I might add these to the collection, and let's just move on. So next I'm going to take my Becca primer. This primer, you guys, is literally the shit because I have oily skin. I talk about it in all my videos. My skin is so oily, especially when it's like summertime. It's just like my T-zone just gets super oily, and I don't like it at all, y'all. Like, I don't like it at all whatsoever. But yeah, I just like how it makes my face feel so fresh, and it gives it like this soft coat. Like, it just feels so good. I'm gonna take my Mercier Luminous Glow setting powder. The reason why I'm doing the Luminous Glow first is just so it can give my face that glow that I want. You know, this is literally my first time using it, so I'm just talking right now, but I want that underneath glow. It's kind of like the glow that people do, like the little liquid glow that people put on. So it's kind of like that. So I'm gonna try it on to see if I like it or not. Hopefully I do. But it's given shimmery. It's given, I don't know. Hopefully it makes my makeup looks different, because I feel like it makes other people's makeup look different. So let's hope. Fingers crossed that this is literally like my new thing that I do. So yeah, okay, so for my foundation, I'm gonna of course use Nars. This is the luminous foundation. This is in the shade Macao, if you guys use me as a reference. I use Macao. Macao is literally like my skin, but I don't know, because I told you guys I have a tan now, so hopefully it gives. Okay, I still feel like it's my skin tone, right? Are you guys seeing it? I put 2 pumps, but I might need 3. I don't like to put a lot of pumps of foundation, especially like the summertime. You don't want your face to be like a lot of makeup. Like, you don't want a lot of makeup on your face. And I keep it super minimal on my forehead. Super minimal. I'm gonna take my foundation brush, you guys. I only use brushes when I do my makeup now. I don't like beauty blenders. Beauty blenders were like a thing back then, but baby, it's brushes now. And I kind of like the way the setting powder is making my makeup look. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's giving me this nice little glow effect. Yeah, I'm really liking it. Oh, this is going to be my new thing. I'm adding this to my foundation routine, using this little glow, because not only does it make it look matte, it makes the foundation look super luminous. Oh yeah, yeah, this is good. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can get it too. All right, so next I'm going to use my Nars concealer. I used to do 3 concealers, but I'm bringing it down to 2 because I don't have any dark circles anymore. Maybe because I got a tan, so I'm happy. So I'm just really going to just put a little bit under my eye. I'm gonna do the little TikTok method. If you guys haven't watched that video, go check it out. Check it out, honey, because we love that. Okay, I do my nose contour last, but we're gonna do it now. You guys, I'm like so obsessed with TikTok, so like all the techniques that they do, I do them now. Maybe I should be on TikTok trying them out, but I just could not get the hang of TikTok. I feel so old saying this right now, but like TikTok is good, but I don't know. It's just so hard. Like, it's like I be saving like all the trendy songs and audio, and then by the time I'm ready to do them, they're not trendy anymore, and it's just a waste of my time. And I just be feeling like, oh my god, I cannot keep up. I feel like I should have been on there when it first came out. It would have been way easier, but like now it's like everybody's on there. It's a little bit difficult, but I love TikTok. So yeah, not done blending out my nose. I'm gonna do that last. I like it so much because it gets the point. It does the job. Like, I go all the way underneath my eyes, and it's so narrow. I'm talking a lot. I was watching one of my videos and I'm like, yo, I talk entirely too much. But listen, y'all knew that already, and if you didn't know, you know now. I talk a lot, y'all. This is me in real life too. dead ass. Maybe I gotta do like a little chit chat video, but I want to do like a chit chat where I send people, like when people ask me questions and give them, so I can give them advice. But people on my Instagram, they don't interact with me. Like, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me, because I need people that's going to interact with me, like seriously. Like, yeah. I'm going to take my black OPAL foundation stick. This is, I think this is black walnut. I started using not Laura Mercier. I started using what is it called? Huda Beauty, but I feel like I'm not going anywhere special. I like to use top-notch stuff when I'm going to top-notch places, and I'm literally just doing this for fun. So I just wanted to do this look real fast. I like to do this in circular motion because it blends it out upward and downward, and it just is perfect for me. I don't like to do it like this because it makes it look too harsh on your skin. I always do my chin. I don't know why I don't have a double chin. I just like that snatched look. I like my face to look snatched as fuck. So next I'm going to use my Nars, what is this? A Nars, my complete Nars. Yeah, my soft matte, because I have oily skin. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use a little bit just to brighten up under my eye. I love a bright under eye. Like, it just gives me this like UK look. It gives this nice UK look, and you guys know I'm like super obsessed with the UK. Yeah, I am. Like, I started listening to UK rap. And it's just literally lit for me. Like, it's just something new. Hold on, let me play it.
English girl named Fiona, big body girl named Amiola. When you shit like cola. Back up, minutes to the owner.
Don't want to get demonetized. Let me stop playing. Okay, this was a little fun, I guess. So I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna pat it in, and you guys see how it just goes away. That's because you putting it on top of another concealer, so those two together just blend out perfectly, versus if you would have put it like directly on your skin, it wasn't going to give you the same outcome, and we don't want that. Like, we want it to look really nice and really fresh. Next, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I was going to use the translucent honey, but I've been using it too much. I just want to try something. I just want to go back just a notch. Just want to go back a notch. So I'm just going to do that. So glad I'm back to recording now. I don't know, I never take 2 trips back to back, and that was a lesson learned. I felt like I was too excited to just leave and just explore life, and which was great. I had fun, but it definitely did set me back like a lot. So I learned my lesson. I would never be doing that again. I'm gonna take my Nars matte bronzer. This is in the shade Quirimba. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this is a really decent. I like this one and the Fenty Mocha Mami. I feel like they both have like the same shade. You guys see the pigment? Don't worry, I'm gonna blend it out, but do you guys see it? It's really decent. Like, look at this. This is really the shit. Bronzer and blush, you guys. Bronzer and blush, something that I didn't know that I needed back then, but it really makes a huge difference on your face. I like to do it while I set my face, so I could just like tap the excess off. Then I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is literally my favorite. My friend is calling me, girl. Hello?
Hi, Claire.
Sis, I'm recording. Give me like 10 minutes. I'm almost done. Alright. Back in session. So yeah, I'm going to use that one, and then I like to smile, and I like to put it like behind my cheekbone because I like my face to be snatched. Like, we already talked about this, so I like my face to be snatched to the gods. Like, I want when people look at my face, they be like, oh damn, that's a face. That's what I like. That's the goal. People, you need to amaze people. You don't want to look like a clown. Like, people like to put they freaking blush like right directly on their face, and that just makes your face look flat. We don't do that. We don't like it, so we're not going to do it over here. giving bad bitch. It's giving bitch. Okay, I look so good. And then for lip gloss, Beverly Hills lip gloss. This is, I don't know what shade this is. This is in the shade Tasty. It's kind of like a little chalky. You see it? It's like a little chalky color, which will go perfect with the lip liner we use. The lip liner I use is from the hair store. Someone DM'd me from about that a couple days ago, and I was just like, oh, I'm so sorry, but it's really from the hair store. Just get a lip liner that looks like a little reddish brownish undertone. I'm gonna use my Nars Orgasm highlight. This is a loose powder, so I try not to put too much because I don't want to do too much. So I literally just get the lid and just tap it one time and smile, and then just brush it like this, and it just literally gives me the perfect outcome. Okay, so that's it for the video. I'm going to fix my hair. Let me back up just a little bit. I'm going to fix my hair. The makeup look great. The makeup look nice. The eye is so subtle. It's not too much. It's not too little. It's just literally like literally a soft glam, like literally. So I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm going to be fixing my hair. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. This look is literally like the best thing ever. Like, I really did my thing with this. Like, it looks so good. My face looks so bomb. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Period. Bye, guys.